Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called Learnerspanix that have a massive potential inside. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to you our research. I'm not responsible and profit and losses. So here you can check it out. Learnerspanix, the first meme token that will be cryptographic and the utility and become the most memorable. It was the time for dog and frog. It's time for our Learnerspanix to make a statement and become the king of meme. And you can check out this project is already listed on DexTool and you can buy it on Uniswap, Etherscan. You can also join their X account and Telegram, and you can also check out the Gecko terminal. So let's scroll down. Why is Learnerspanix? Learnerspanix is the watching meme token of the lowest their value after the pump. That why it's here, and you can check it out. You can check all the detail how to buy. You need to first of all create a wallet, download MetaMask, buy Ethereum, and go to Uniswap, exchange it to Learnerspanix. Token Academics, you can check out the unlimited supply, and you can check out their supply discretion seed 5%, pre-sale 13%, team 10%, marketing 5%, and you can check out their liquidity DEX 15%, liquidity CEX 10%, insurance fund treasure 15%, game creation development just 10%. Buy a token. If you want to buy, you can click on buy a token. So first of all, you can check out their roadmap and meme token go to utility. And you can check out the third phase in the order of token of the value in the demand. A blockchain game will be launched on which players will be used Learnerspanix to buy heroes and also receive rewards in a Learnerspanix token to victories in the battle and capture for enemy terrorist. And you can check out their all the information roadmap, contact Learnerspanix, and you can check out the detail, and you can also join the social link. So let's talk about the other feature, and here you can check out this is the official Etherscan contract. You can also copy the contract address, and you can check out the ETH balance, their token supply, and latest to buy, sale, everything right here. You can check out all the information easily. And guys, first of all, the important part of this video is their social links, because if you want to invest in this project after watching my video, then I just recommend you to join their social links, because they are giving a regular update on their social accounts. And you can check it out. They have a large community, 3,000 plus member, and you will simply click on VM Telegram and join it. This is the official X account, its main Twitter account. And first of all, you can check it out. They have 8,000 plus member. So let's check out the other. You can check out the coinscop.coin Learnerspanix, and you can check out the here you can check out the price chart, price prediction. Guys, this project is pumped after the listed on their exchanges on their DexTool, like DexTool, and this project is growing very fast. And you can, if you want to buy, you can buy it only on Uniswap. So guys, if I give you my honest opinion, I think this project is good for future profit, because this project price, their project supply, and their token distribution is very awesome. So that's why I just think this project is good for if you missed like other meme token like Dogecoin, Pipcoin, but they don't miss this project. But on your own behalf investment, I'm not responsible for anything. And you can buy on Uniswap and market cap. You can check out market cap USD price 0.003%. guys, if you buy this token on their early stage, and you'll be get a lot of profit from it in the future. But if you buy this token, price will be high. So I think it's not good thing. This time is good for if you want to buy this token. If you are holding your money, then I just recommend for investment, but you are our risk, because I just think this project is awesome. And you can check out the price is very low. That's why I just recommend you invest it if you want to invest it, and at your own risk. And you can buy this token on the Coinscop, simply connect your wallet and go to chart, track Learnerspanix, and you can buy a token easily. And you can also check out the audit report, and you can check out all the information. Guys, invest always at your own risk. And let's check out on the dextool.io. Guys, I just want to tell you one more thing. After this project listed on DexTool and this token listing on the big exchanges, and the price is very perfectly, and there is no big sales, and the pre-sale took place in the private round. All token are very bought by community member, and they are determined the whole Learnerspanix until the first goal of this project is $1. It's very awesome. At least before token start trade on CEX, it's a very awesome. First of all, let's check out the Twitter account, and you can check out their official link. website, edit contact address, Uniswap, Dextool, and Telegram. And you can check out their learners Panics to the moon has begun. Please hold there with the growth of the Reddit to continue growing the first meme token of cryptography again utility, and there never losses in the value. The price is very perfectly if you want to invest it, and this project is growing very perfectly after listing on the exchanges. And you can check out there all the information on the Twitter account. Guys, must follow their Twitter account and also follow my social links I already provided in video description, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you don't like this video, please like this video, and I hope you understand everything about this project. So guys, let's take a look on the Gecko terminal. First of all, you can check out the learner's Panics price 0.00033366. Guys, if you notice this thing, this project is already listed, but no price is high. Because this project is a 100x potential gem, and they think the project is at price not be high for the, because this is the early stage for investment. So if you want, if user want to buy this project, and then user can easily buy the project. Guys, let's check out the price prediction, and you can check out the learner's Panics of the Uniswap V2 Gecko terminal. Guys, if you notice this, you can check out their latest buy. You can check out $60, $150, $2,000, $660, $900, and user is investing very big amount in this project. So if you have any money for holding, but you can invest it on this project at your risk. And let's check out the price chart, and you can check out the official price chart. In the starting at 9 March 2024, you can check out the price in the this project is growing very perfectly, and they have not any spam. And this project is, I think this is a very good project. So let's go on the learner's Panics Dextool, and you can check out the Dextool 0.003, same price, everything same. So you can check out the latest buy, sale, latest their market cap, total supply 10 billion, holder liquidity, market cap, 24-hour volume, total supply, everything provided. Dex score is very awesome, almost 50 plus. And I'm telling everything, but I'm not tell you how to buy this token. Boom. Now we are going to talk about how to buy this project. Guys, you need to just come on the home page. You can check out the Uniswap logo, and you need to click here and then go to the Uniswap. It's boom. You can check out the, first of all, you need to click on connect option. Before buying this project, it's must to connect your wallet. You can use Uniswap wallet, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet. So I'm just using my MetaMask wallet, so I'm connecting my wallet. Guys, buying step is very easy. You need to create a wallet like MetaMask, Trust wallet, Coinbase, which wallet you're using, and then you need to have a Ethereum coin for buying this project, and simply exchange other currency to Ethereum, and then simply connect your wallet, go to Uniswap, connect your wallet, then click on next, then click on got it, next, and connect it. And after clicking it, you can check out my wallet is connected. I don't have any difference in MetaMask wallet because I'm not using this wallet. And this is just for connecting the website, because in the market is very scam website. So just I just use a temporary wallet for connecting the websites. No, I'm not talking about this project, because this project is gem. So you pay, it's mean you want to buy with 1 Ethereum, select token. You need to just how to select token, simply go back and then click on contract address, and then simply where here you can check it out, paste it, and after clicking the paste, and you can select the token easily. So you can check out learner's Panics is successfully connected. So enter your amount, how much you want to buy this token with Ethereum. If I suppose let's see an example, if I buy this token with 1 Ethereum, I will receive this token almost 000. It's very huge. But if you want to invest like $100, $200, you can also do it. This is a very amazing, guys. One thing, this is the early stage for investment. If you invest now, this project you will get a lot of tokens, but in the future this project price will be grow up, then you can buy. I know some users already missed Pipcoin, Dogecoin, and some like other very new coins, new like new Bitcoin. So I hope you know and missed this project. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.